Alright guys, so we're in this Roadrunner. About to go take it for a ride real quick. And then we're gonna let you guys know what we think. Nice and loud, as you can see. Nice and loud, so we're gonna take it for a ride real quick and take you guys with us and see what you think.
500 horsepower.
Oh, 500?
It feels more like 400.
Oh.
Where's my geese?
Yeah, they're just chilling.
One more back here.
Yeah.
I know these guys appreciate it.
Yeah, they sure do.
Nothing but smiles.
Yeah. Yeah, we're definitely spinning over there. On like I think when we stepped on it on the second gear. That was quick. It was needed. you have to warm up the car, so you can't, so the customers when they come in, it's nice and ready to go. What's up, guys? So we just took a quick test drive on this Roadrunner. I was about to say Ford Runner. In this Roadrunner, man, this thing is, oh my goodness, this thing is quick. I'm gonna put the video on here, but yeah, this thing is amazing. It's quick. We just did a little test drive outside, and yeah, it's nice and quick. I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you guys the interior real quick. So yeah, we just took a test drive in this Roadrunner. Man, it was pretty crazy because this thing is so quick. I didn't even know, man. I wish there was another seatbelt in this car because this thing is so quick. But yeah, man, it got my heart pumping real well, really well. Yeah. So I'm gonna take you guys inside real quick and show you guys inside, and then we'll check out the engine as well. And this is the 6-speed. It has a 6-speed manual transmission, and yeah, this thing is souped up. The owner did a lot of modification to it, so it looks pretty cool. So yeah, let me give you the view of the back seat. As you could see, it's there's not that much space, as you can see, but it looks cool though. So let me put the seat back, and I'm gonna do a walk around for you guys, and then show you the engine, and then see what you guys think. But yeah, this thing was fun, man. It's I enjoyed it. I didn't know these cars were this much fun to be in. So check it out. Give you a quick walk around, and then see what you guys think, because yeah, this thing is scary fast. So let's see, check out these rims. They look pretty sweet. So I'm gonna try to get into the engine bay real quick and open that up for you guys and show you how it looks. Let me see where the hook is at. Alright, if there's something else that needs to be, let me see, pushed up over here. Yep, got it. So this one, the owner took the engine out of a truck. So this is a Scat Pack V8 engine in it, if I'm not making a mistake. But yeah, it's from a newer 292 Scat Pack engine. But it looks mean, as you can see. That it's clean. Looks like it's ready to be driven. It's ready to be driven. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the information for you guys, for the people that are out there that are looking for a Roadrunner with the upgraded engine in it. I'll link the post in the description to see if you guys are interested, and if you'd like to purchase this car. So without further ado, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get that information for you guys. So thank you for watching. Comment, subscribe, and let us know what you think about this car. Appreciate you guys, and thank you. All right, peace.